In this episode of Gendel Overland, we're going to be installing a rooftop tent by quick pitch. In order to reach the top of the Jeep, we had to take the rear wheels off. Stick around to the end of the video to see how it turned out. This is Gendel Overland, brought to you by London, Ontario Jeeps. In part by Forest City Dodge and 67 Designs. So with the help of 5 other guys, I was able to pick this up and bring it to the Jeep. That's fine.
You want it far enough back so you don't get whistling. So, anyways.
And how bad would plus with the other Jeep was smaller on the roof. Nope.
You're not getting in it, right?
No, I'm not getting it.
I'm just thinking the wind catches it or something.
Now, after having to adjust the bolts quite a few times, this took quite a bit longer than it should have taken. So instead of showing you how I'm doing it, here's a close-up of where all the bolts ended up. Take a close look at where all these are bolted in. I originally ordered the RSI load bars, but they didn't arrive in time. So I'm using the 4Runner setup, which is compatible with RSI systems. I'm going to be installing an awning to this side of the Jeep. What I need to do is fasten the awning brackets to the tent bracket here and here. So what I had to do in order to mount the awning bracket onto the tent bracket is I had to remove this from the tent once again, use a center punch and drill a new hole into the bracket. You're going to notice that it's lifted up a little bit. And why I did that is we got one bolt that's got to sink into the 4Runner load bars, which would be next to impossible to install without it being lifted up. Now all I got to do is retighten the bolts before I can install the awning. You're going to want a second person to help you install this onto your brackets. It's not that it's heavy, but it is long and awkward. The first thing you want to do before you install it is get the bolts put into the track. I usually do the top bolts first, put them into the top bolt holes in the brackets, and then I'll install the washer and lock nut. After getting the top washer and lock nut installed, then I'll move to the bottom one. I think this is the only video on YouTube that shows how to install a Rhino rack awning to a quick pitch tent. There's not a lot of quick pitch tent footage on YouTube, so I thought I'd get on here and show you guys.
But I don't think I can do that yet. I give it time, I think things over, but there shouldn't hurt a spot in my head. All I do is lay in bed awake at night, dreaming of the things that I could say. It's too late.
To extend the awning, you got to open up the Velcro to reveal the zipper that's behind it. Open the zipper all the way up and put the packaging behind the awning. You'll have a bag there that's got your ropes in it for tie down. Put that in the back too. Undo the 3 Velcro straps.
But I didn't hear the sirens ahead. Yeah, I'm alive.
And then you can just extend it 1 bar at a time.
They tried to leave me for dead. All I do is lay in bed awake at night,
I'm going to drop down the first leg.
dreaming of the things that I would say. That's a waste.
The second. And so forth until it's all done. Once you have it all tied down, you can come back and adjust all the legs. On a windy day, it's really ideal to have 2 people helping you with this and not do it yourself.
My ignorance has led me here again, but I'm finding out as I go.
We got this all set up just in time for next weekend's adventure outdoors. Tune in next week when I show you how I install the RSI kitchen. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys next week.